Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is showing you how I'm going to revamp my salon trolley. So there'll be this video and then there'll be the full tour of showing you everything like I have done with my dressing table. So I'm going to show you everything that my salon trolley looks like now, describe all the things that I'm going to buy, and then do the full tour of the salon trolley itself. So first of all, I'm going to do a clip of what it looks like, to show you a before clip so you guys can see what the salon trolley looks like now. Then I'm going to describe what sort of things I'm going to put in there and put on top, and then there will be the full tour later on. So when it's going to be up, because I've got so many more videos going up, it's just trying to put everything into place, but there will be a full tour of my salon trolley. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.
Let it all out on me. You won't get closer to me. If you want, open your door. If that's what you want, then baby, try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind, now I'm here by your side. So let it all out.
So this is what my salon trolleys are looking like at the moment. I just have it's like a furry white rug for like backgrounds and stuff up here, and my Miley UV lamp up here as well. They won't be staying here. I am going to buy what are they called? They're like little salon trolleys with the wheels. Like you can put all like nail polishes and stuff in there. It's like one of those ones that you take away with you, so if you've got an appointment and you've got to go to someone's house, you can actually just wheel it. I will try and pop the picture up on the screen of what I'm on about. I can't remember what their actual name is. I think it's called like nail trolleys or something, but I will pop the picture up on the screen here and see if I can show you guys. But obviously they're going in there, and then my nail polishes are all going in there as well. So I'm gonna have obviously my normal nail polishes in there and my gels, so these won't be all in here, they will be in that trolley. And I'm going to have like a few acrylics sitting up here as well. I don't know which ones just yet. I don't know whether to get the boxed ones, the flat ones, I don't know yet, but there will be a few acrylics up here. Then do you remember those small storage baskets that I got for my dressing table? Well, if I remember, I'll put a picture up on the screen just so you guys can see properly what I'm on about. They are going to go in here, in every single drawer, just so it separates everything. Obviously, all my nail stuff will be in that little trolley thing. But I've got obviously all my nail stuff, my clippers, my toe pieces, nail files, which I need to get more of, tweezers, obviously that won't be in there. So they will all be separated into little baskets. So I've got like scrunchies, clips, little black clips here, all of them, little hair clips in there. I've got my black bobby pins, my Christmas scrunchies, and my Diamante pins, hair pins all in there. And then in this one, I've got some of my hair products all in here because they can't fit into the drawer. So I have my pink crocodile clips. I have some like sachets and stuff at the back here. I've got all my little testers and stuff, loads of little products. And then I have these Beauty Wax clips as well. Then this one, I just have my Molly May brushes, my Brushworks wristbands, which I've got 2 sets of. So obviously I'm just using these ones, and then they ones can stay in the box. My Brushworks headbands. This headband I got from my advent calendar. And then I've got a couple of little microfiber scrunchies. And then in here I've got my Brushworks headbands, my eye sleep mask, and a little travel mirror. In this one, I just have beauty blenders, powder puffs, these little sticky things which you can put underneath your eyes so you can do your eyeliner properly, little eye pencil sharpeners, eyelash curlers, some more of them powder puffs. Straw here, it's just got all bits and bobs in really. I've got a little Dove makeup bag here, I've got some hand cream, I've got a vitamin C toner in here, some lip balms that won't fit into my drawer. I just got the Pulse Point rollerblade thing and my number 7 eye serum in there. And then in this drawer I just have all of my sheet masks, which probably won't be in here, which will probably be in acrylics, so they might be up here, I don't know yet. But yeah, this is what my Salon Trolley is looking like so far, and then I'll show you what it looks like in another video, like a full tour. So guys, that is going to end today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Like I said, this is just like showing you what my Salon Trolley looks like, and it's going to be revamped. I'm just going to sort out all the storage. All my nail stuff will not be in there, it'll be in its own little separate little caddy thing. I cannot remember what they're called. Like I said, I did show you a picture of what it actually looks like. I think it's called like a Salon Trolley, but it's like a wheeled version. I don't know. If I remember, I will try and put the name of it as well, of what they're called, as well as the picture. But yeah, all my nail stuff's going to go into there, so it won't go into my Salon Trolley. So my Salon Trolley would just have all of my hair stuff, all of my like manicure and pedicure stuff, you know, little things that can't go into my dressing table. It's just it's going to be all in there. All my face mask, sheet mask, you know, everything to do with like skincare and stuff. And there will be a full tour of that as well once it's all done and dusted, and I'll show you a full tour of my whole finished Salon Trolley. So guys, without further ado, I'm going to love you and leave you here. If you have enjoyed today's video, as always, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.